Welcome to today's explainer. You know, we all absolutely love our homes to be comfortable, right? But beneath the surface of that comfort, there's actually this entire hidden economy that's just quietly draining your wallet. So today, we're going to dive right in and uncover the real, honest financial price of home appliance ownership. Okay, so I want you to ask yourself, what is the true, totally invisible price tag of that long hot shower you love? I mean, sure, it feels absolutely amazing in the moment, but the thing is, standard appliance ownership has kind of conditioned all of us to only ever look at the upfront sticker price. And honestly, that just blinds us to these massive, long-term financial leaks.
Section 1. The true cost of comfort. Let's get into it.
So to actually understand where your money is going, and more importantly, to fix those leaks, we first have to look at what we call the big three of home energy use. Now, while cooling your home obviously takes up the biggest chunk, roughly 40 to 50%, a massive 30 to 40% goes straight to heating elements. Your water heater alone is literally the second largest energy hog in your entire house. Crazy, right?
Moving on to Section 2, the Florida Hybrid Advantage.
So if heating water is just bleeding our budget dry, how do we actually fix it? And without subjecting ourselves to the absolute misery of unexpected cold showers? Well, the answer fundamentally changes the rules. Instead of blindly burning through expensive electricity to create heat from scratch, which is what those old dumb traditional heaters do, a hybrid heat pump water heater acts smart. It literally just pulls existing warmth from the surrounding air and moves it right into the tank.
Actually, the best way to think about it is like a reverse refrigerator. Your fridge pulls heat out of the box to keep your food cold, right? Well, a hybrid water heater pulls heat out of the room to make your water hot. It's a brilliant little trick, and it perfectly explains why simply moving ambient heat around is vastly more efficient than paying for the sheer electrical force required to generate heat from absolutely nothing. These units are, without a doubt, absolute game changers, delivering an incredible 4 times higher efficiency. But the real magic, that's what we call the Florida Advantage. See, because these units absolutely thrive in hot climates, anywhere between 37 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, they naturally cool and dehumidify their surroundings as a byproduct. Think about that for a second. You basically get free air conditioning for your sweltering Florida garage just by heating your water. Plus, if you have the whole extended family visiting, it features an automatic electric backup, so there is no way you're ever running out of hot water.
But, okay, here's the catch. Despite having a fantastic 15-year lifespan and way lower operating costs, the upfront price for one of these hybrid units can be 40% higher than a conventional heater. And let's be real, for a lot of families, that initial sticker shock is a massive, massive barrier to upgrading.
Which brings us to Section 3, Beneath the Surface, the Hidden Costs of Ownership.
Because that upfront cost, it's really just the tip of the iceberg. Traditional ownership hides some really nasty surprises. When you buy a standard water heater, you might think you're getting a great deal, but you're actually signing up for a decade of hidden financial liabilities. For instance, traditional financing totally ignores annual maintenance. Just to keep these systems running properly, preventative care averages around $200 a year. That is a cost you entirely own.
And then comes the real gut punch, the absolute shock of a surprise plumber bill when things inevitably break down. Over a 10-year period, homeowners face an average of, wait for it, $1,250 in unpredictable out-of-pocket repairs. Suddenly, owning that traditional water heater feels a lot less like an asset and way more like a massive financial liability.
Let's look at Section 4, Enter the Comfort Plan.
Now, because solar installers of Florida truly believe in treating their customers like family, they asked an absolutely crucial question. What if we completely remove the financial sting of upgrading? Enter the Lightreach Comfort Plan. Compared to traditional financing, your upfront cost is $0. Yep, zero. That $200 a year in maintenance included. The $1,250 in average unpredictable repairs completely included. It just flattens all those massive hidden fees into a single, predictable, 100% worry-free lease. It completely removes the anxiety of a limited warranty. With super flexible 8 or 10-year lease options, you get fixed all-in monthly payments. You also get professional care, meaning your installation by local experts and that crucial annual preventative maintenance we talked about are fully covered. Best of all, with zero out-of-pocket costs, all parts and labor are covered for the full term. You get the whole shebang. You get to upgrade your home's efficiency without any of the traditional financial sting of ownership. And finally, Section 5, Start saving today. By combining Florida's natural ambient heat with this incredibly smart hybrid technology, you can actually gain real grid independence and do it without the constant anxiety of surprise repair bills. It is definitely time to stop letting your water heater silently drain your bank account. You can actually reach out to Solar Installers of Florida right now. And by the way, their whole mission is to provide solutions as if intended for my own family. You can reach out to them to run a live, totally personalized cost-benefit analysis for your specific home. You can see the exact numbers for yourself.
So I'm going to leave you with this final thought to ponder as we wrap up today's explainer. With a true zero-down solution that covers literally all your maintenance and repairs, are you going to keep letting those hidden beneath-the-surface costs just drain your bank account? Or is it finally time to take back your power and control your comfort?